Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Question number 2 solved by factorization. Part F is 3 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 1 equals to 1 over x plus 1 into x plus 2. So here we have the fractions on both sides of the equal. A rational equation, we need to convert first into the quadratic form. Then we can apply the factorization method. But on the both side of equal, we have fractions. So how do we simplify? What we have to do here? We need to find the LCM, and then we have to multiply on both sides of the equal with the LCM. So LCM would be here x plus 1, x plus 2 and x minus 1. LCM means the denominators should be same. So how we can make? By multiplying the x plus 1 and x minus 1 with the first fraction, x plus 1 and x plus 2 with the second fraction, and x minus 1 with the last fraction, we can get the same denominators. So here we will not take the LCM, we just have to multiply the LCM with all numerators, because on both sides of the equal we have fractions. So now 3 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 2 divided by x plus 2, then plus 1 multiply any value would be the same value. 1 will not change the value, multiplication of 1. So here it would be x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 equals to, again we don't need to multiply with the 1, so it would be x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 2 divided by x minus 1, x plus 1 into x plus 2. So here at the top one we have x plus 2, at the bottom one we have x plus 2, both will cancel. Same as it is, x minus 1 and x minus 1 will cancel. And here x plus 2, x plus 1, both will cancel. So what is left now? 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus, what is left? X plus 1 into x plus 2 equals to, only x minus 1 is left. So now we need to expand the brackets. Here x plus 1 and x minus 1, the values are same, only the sign between them are changed. So it means that we can apply the algebraic formula here, which is a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. Now the a value is x, b value is 1. So 3 we will bring down same. Instead of a we will write here the x square, and b means 1 square would be 1. Any power of the 1 equals to 1. Any power of 1 equals to 1. So now plus, we will here multiply the values again. The first value we will multiply with last two, then the second value with the last two values. So it would be x square plus x and plus 2x. 2 times x would be 2x plus 2 equals to x minus 1. So now here 3 we will multiply with these two 3 we will multiply with these two values, means we need to expand the bracket. So it would be 3x squared and minus 3 plus x squared and then x and 2x both are the like terms, so we can add 2 plus 1x becomes 3x, then plus 2, and these values also we will shift here to rearrange the terms to find the quadratic equation. So plus x would be the minus x, and then minus 1 becomes plus 1 equal to 0. Now here the 3x square and plus x square, it becomes the 4x square. Then minus 3 and plus 2 and plus 1 would be 0, and 3x minus x becomes 2x plus 2x. Then minus 3 and 2 plus 1 becomes 3 equals to 0. So this minus plus makes minus, and 3 minus 3 would be 0. We have here 4x squared plus 2x equal to 0. Now what is the common there? The 2x is common, so here 2x plus 1 is left equal to 0. Now we will write separately, so 2x both multiply here. So when we will shift on the other side of equal, these two values will divide with the 0. So 0 divided by any value is equal to 0. So what is left? 2x plus 1 equal to 0, and the other value we got the 2x equals to 0. Now we will shift the coefficient on the other side, so it becomes 0. As I told before, divided by 0, 0 divided by any value is equal to 0. So here the 2x is equals to minus 1. Then x is equals to minus 1 by 2. So we got the roots of this equation. X equals to minus 1 by 2 and 0. Minus 1 by 2 and 0.